Hello again, everyone. Imagine waking up each day full of energy, strength, and the confidence to take on anything life throws your way, all without worrying about losing muscle as the years pass. Today, we're diving into a topic that could truly transform your health: how to beat muscle loss with 7 powerhouse foods that fight sarcopenia. If you've ever wondered why your muscles feel weaker over time, or if you're looking for natural ways to boost your strength and vitality, you're in the right place. These foods can make a real difference in your journey to better health. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Staying connected ensures you get all our latest health tips. Plus, your support inspires us to keep bringing you the best advice for living a stronger, healthier life. In this video, we'll walk you through each food item, starting from number 7 and counting down to the number 1 must-have. Whether you're just starting your healthy eating journey or you're looking to fine-tune your nutrition, you're in the perfect place. Let's get started. 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a tiny but mighty seed that has earned worldwide admiration for its outstanding nutritional value. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, quinoa proves that big benefits can come in small packages. What makes quinoa truly special is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, perfect for muscle repair and growth. Plus, its high fiber content helps keep you full longer, supporting healthy weight management while you build strength. Thanks to its mild, nutty flavor and adaptable texture, quinoa fits effortlessly into a wide range of meals, from fresh salads and hearty soups to robust sides and rice replacements. Adding quinoa to your diet is an easy, delicious way to support better muscle health. Fueling your muscles with the right nutrients through your daily meals is key to keeping them strong, resilient, and ready for any challenge. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a true standout, offering a delicious taste combined with powerful muscle-supporting nutrients. Through the process of straining regular yogurt, we get a thicker texture and a significant boost in protein content. Loaded with protein, Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth, making it perfect for post-workout recovery or as a wholesome addition to your everyday diet. But that's not all. It's also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and optimal muscle function. Greek yogurt contains probiotics that promote healthy digestion, helping your body better absorb the nutrients it needs. Whether you enjoy it plain, blended with fresh fruits, or with a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness, Greek yogurt is a delicious way to keep your muscles energized and thriving all day long. 5. Salmon. Salmon isn't just a delicious fish, it's a complete nutritional powerhouse that supports muscle health in multiple ways. It's an outstanding source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to reduce inflammation and speed up muscle recovery after exercise. By lowering inflammation, salmon helps your muscles recover faster, allowing you to maintain strength, endurance, and peak performance over time. On top of that, it delivers high-quality protein, providing the essential building blocks your muscles need for repair and growth. Salmon also offers a rich supply of vitamins like B12 and D, and important minerals such as selenium, all vital for maintaining energy, vitality, and overall wellness. Whether baked, grilled, or steamed, adding salmon to your meals is a flavorful and highly effective way to boost your muscle health. 4. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and they play a major role in enhancing muscle health. They are among nature's richest sources of high-quality protein, critical for repairing and building muscle tissue after intense physical activity. Each egg is a compact powerhouse packed with essential amino acids that your body uses to support muscle strength and recovery. Amino acids are the essential building blocks your body craves for optimal muscle recovery and growth, and eggs are packed with them. Beyond being a protein powerhouse, eggs are rich in vital vitamins like vitamin D, which helps maintain strong bones, and vitamin B12, which is key for energy production. They also deliver important minerals such as selenium and choline, both of which contribute to overall wellness and vitality. Whether you enjoy your eggs boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelette, adding them to your meals is a smart move to fuel your muscles with the nutrients they need for strength and resilience. Incorporating eggs into a balanced diet not only speeds up muscle recovery, but also gives you a delicious, energy-boosting meal perfect for any time of the day. 3. Spinach. Spinach is far more than just another leafy green. It's a true nutritional powerhouse, offering incredible benefits for your muscles. This vibrant vegetable is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and iron, all of which play a major role in muscle function and physical strength. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting muscle cells from damage and supporting faster recovery after exercise. Additionally, its high fiber content promotes healthy digestion and enhances your body's ability to absorb crucial nutrients. Incorporating spinach into your meals couldn't be easier. Toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or lightly sauté it as a side dish. Adding this nutrient-dense green to your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to keep your muscles strong, resilient, and performing at their best. 2. Almonds. Almonds aren't just a satisfying snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrition vital for maintaining healthy muscles. Packed with protein, almonds help repair muscle fibers after a workout and provide a generous dose of healthy fats, essential for sustained energy and recovery. They're especially rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects your muscles from the harmful effects of oxidative stress, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. The high magnesium content in almonds further enhances muscle function by supporting both contraction and relaxation processes. Snacking on a handful of almonds or adding them to your meals provides a steady energy boost, reduces muscle inflammation, and speeds up recovery after physical activity. By including almonds in your diet, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack. You're giving your muscles the essential support they need to grow stronger and more resilient over time. 1. Chicken breast. Leading our list is chicken breast, a true champion when it comes to muscle-building nutrition. This lean meat is prized for its exceptionally high-quality protein, which is critical for muscle tissue repair and growth. With its low-fat content, chicken breast is a fantastic option for those aiming to maintain a balanced diet while achieving their fitness goals. Rich in complete proteins, it delivers all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and strengthen muscles, especially after intense workouts. Chicken breast is also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you prefer grilling, baking, or stir-frying, it easily adapts to countless delicious recipes. Additionally, it supplies vital B vitamins that help convert food into energy and keep your metabolism running efficiently. Incorporating chicken breast regularly into your meals ensures your muscles get the nutrients they need to stay strong, recover faster, and perform at their best. We truly appreciate you spending your time with us and exploring these powerful insights. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information valuable and motivating as you continue on your journey towards stronger, healthier muscles. Remember, real results come from consistent effort. Even small changes to your daily diet and lifestyle can lead to extraordinary transformations over time. If this video inspired you or sparked new ideas for positive change, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Subscribe to our channel for more clear, practical, and impactful health tips. Your support means everything. It empowers us to keep creating content that inspires you to live a healthier, stronger life. Stay committed to your wellness journey, keep moving forward, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to a more vibrant and energized you. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Embrace your path to greater health and vitality.